Hello, everyone. My name is Rosita. I am a vocal and language coach, meaning not only do I teach people how to speak in different languages, I also teach people how to sing in them. In this video, for another episode of Medical Spanish for Beginners, we are going to learn how to ask questions referring to the patient's medical history. We all know how that can be extremely challenging when there's that language barrier. Now, this is going to be a multi-part video, so please be sure to follow so you guys get updates on when I upload new content. All right, so let's get started. In this video, we're going to learn different ways in how to ask the same question in referring to the patient's medical history. So let's look at some of these questions. ¿Cómo está su salud en general? How is your general health? ¿Usted se considera una persona saludable? Do you consider yourself to be a healthy person? ¿Qué problemas médicos ha tenido? What medical problems have you had? ¿Qué enfermedades ha tenido? What illnesses have you had? ¿Ha estado hospitalizado alguna vez? Have you ever been hospitalized? Let's take a quick look at the word hospitalizado. That word is indeed a mouthful. Let's break it down. Please repeat after me. O spi ta li sa do. Hospitalizado. Good. Now, as you guys can see, I put an A because this is going to be dependent if your patient is male or female or how they identify as. So the O is if a patient identifies as male, or A if the patient identifies as a woman. So let's do that question one more time. ¿Ha estado hospitalizado alguna vez? Let's continue on. ¿Cuándo? When? ¿Por qué? Why? ¿Qué otros problemas médicos ha tenido? What other problems have you had? ¿Algo más? Anything else? Awesome. All right, so that will conclude part 1 of this video. We have learned different ways to ask about the patient's medical history. All right, in the next video, we're going to go into detail in how to inquire about chronic medical problems. So again, don't forget to follow so you guys can get updated in when I upload new content on this platform. Until next time, I shall see you soon. Nos vemos. Ciao.